Hey guys, it's me, Nicole the Cat, and we are playing Jurassic World Evolution. So I'll move this out the way down here, and if you want you can read the subtitles, because I can't be bothered. And I do have my bearded dragon, if you want to see it. See, hey, if you didn't know I have a bearded dragon, I have him here. Let's see if I can pop that back on. No, we got him. Because normally when I put it back on, it messes up. So this time, hopefully it won't. Just... Oh wait, should be listening, shouldn't I? Okay, well we've got quite a lot of money. You saying something? There. Okay, what is a Hammond creation lab? I must know this. Bring dinosaur from the Jurassic area to Jurassic World. The Hammond creation lab allows integrate more into the park. Okay, so it's telling me to put this over here. I'm gonna pop this here then. It needs a path, I'm pretty sure though. Which turns? This one turns. Alright. Let's start making dinosaurs, shall we? I'm guessing this is the path. Oh, here we go. There. I made a path. Oh, I need to move this because this is... There we go. Okay, I need to incubate a Strufium minus. What is... Okay, I guess this is... It's called a dinosaur. Is there a T-Rex? I'm gonna guess that. Maybe a T-Rex? Or that. Or that. I'm gonna guess that's a T-Rex. Velociraptor. Spinosaurus. God, I don't know what's going on with my voice, but I'm good. I'm good. What the hell's going on? Yep. Hurry up. Can I incubate something else? Let's incubate one more, shall we? Ooh, let's release it. Let's release it out into the wild. Oh, it's cute. It's a two-legged, lovely little dinosaur. Lovely neck, I must say. You are just fabulous. You look at that poser. Look at this poser right here. Fab. Oh, come back. Can I click on the dinosaur now? Oh, it didn't work. Let's try again. Maybe it'll work this time. Let's click on... Can I click on you? No? Can't click on your dinosaurs or... Well, that's just great. You can't even click on your damn god own dinosaurs. Like, that's just sad. Ooh, what's this place? I'm clicking! Just go away, I wanna do something. Science, entertainment and security. I'm gonna start with entertainment. Okay, I think I can do that. Oh, okay. I'm guessing this is the thing, so I'm gonna put in here. Oh, no, it's wonky. one. No. Which one? There we go. That's good enough. There we go. I can't bother listening to them if you want to read it. I don't want to listen to them. Now, can I click on the dinosaur? Because I want to see him. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there. Can I still not click on you? I want to click on it and give him a name or something. Can't click on anything. Oh, I can click on this. Alright then. Expedition Center, let's view. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, dinosaurs. I'm gonna go for this one, because this one has 3. What's this? Fossils. Ooh, I have fossil. Extract. Don't think I want to sell them. I think I want to extract. Extract all of them. Ooh, look at that one. Ceratosaurus. That one looks like it'll kill someone. Oh my god. What does this do? Should we do this? There you go. Get out of the way. I'm gonna do this. I don't know what that does, but yeah. Whatever. Oh. You do not have enough. Oh. Okay. Don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here, but okay. Let's release this lovely dinosaur. Let me click on them now. So I'll see how my dinosaur's doing. You doing good? Yeah! Oh. Off already, I guess. Oh, transmission incoming. Wait, are those other islands? Yeah. Okay, I could do that. Ooh, you get Dracorex. Ooh, here we go. Click on one, kind of. Ah. Ooh. Let's name it. What should we name it? Let's name you Billy. Bill. I think that's how you spell Billy. I'm an idiot, so I don't know. You're hungry? Wait, is there something in here for you to eat? Oh yeah. Here we go. Don't die. I want you to survive. There you go. Have one of those. I don't know what that does. Where's the other? I want to name it. Where is it? Can someone do you know where it is? Do any of you? Because I don't know. It's like disappeared. I'll name it after if I can find it. They want me to get the Ceratosaurus, but yeah, it would eat them. Ooh, you're moving. It would eat my lovely Streptomyces. Can I I don't know, split this cage? Oh yeah, I can. What if I do something like that, and then I'll just split this cage in half, like the Ceratosaurus on one side, and then whoever it was on the other side. But I would need another one of those, wouldn't I? Can I get another? Oh yeah. Turn. There we go. Oh god, my voice is going. What's wrong with my voice? There's paths in the way. They're getting in my way. Go away, paths. Are these trees in the way as well? It'll work that way, but I don't want it that way, do we? Because that's the wrong way round. Yeah, we need to put this, like, here. There we go. Then we can just, oh god no, we want fin on parts. There we go. Then we can like connect it. Right there. Yeah, I can go down, you like that. Oh, we need power. This is power. So this connected to that. Should work now, maybe. My arm. It's stressful not putting my arm on the table, you know. I have to like I have to like I can't speak. Maneuver it over. There we go. I can speak. Just click on this. View the fossils. Boom. Triceratops. How's this hurting? You're hurting me. I'm gonna just move you across a little bit. Don't worry. You're not gonna get hurt. Ooh, silver. I guessed it. I said silver because it would look like silver and I was right. Enclosures. I think we should get this because we need to keep our lovely dinosaurs. Okay. Like we have to make sure they don't like get out. Because that'd be bad, wouldn't it? And what's here? Well, it wants me to get Ceratosaurus, so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to get Ceratosaurus. Alright, and what do we do now? Just make sure more Ceratosauruses? No. Someone's calling me. I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, I'm back. I was just, my mum called me. Stupid. For, dinner, actually. Well, I've got a lot, but I'll eat that after. We've only got, like, a couple of minutes anyway. Ooh, let's go to fossils. Ooh. Let's get this Ceratosaurus, shall we? We have to go back to that. And enclosure, that's still going, okay. Should we try Triceratops? That's a lot of money. So, if it doesn't work, then oh, that's just gonna be great, isn't it? So we got 1, 2, and 3. I'll name them after. Oh yay! Okay, I need to incubate it, but it needs more DNA, I would say. Okay. Right. So I'm guessing these will unlock after. Ooh, what's this? A Hungagosaurus. Okay. So what we're doing is trying to get a Ceratosaurus. See, this person wants me to get a small herbivore, but they want me to get the Ceratosaurus. Ooh, I got a new thingy. Ooh, I put that on after. But this control room, oh, it takes me back to this place. Okay, right, we needed to go to here because it said it was done, so. Genetic research, let's do that. I don't know what that is, but we'll do it. Alright, so. That looks good, that looks good. Wait, do they have like a pinion? Oh yeah. You love this place, Jesus. Oh, it worked! Yay. Oh, it's the end of the video. Oh.